If you already have or plan to have your first rental property, are you treating it like a professional asset, or did you just buy yourself a second job? I got the temptation before. You see, you pay 8 to 10% rent to property management, and you will think, oh, I can do that myself and I can save thousands. Now, managing a property isn't just collecting rent, trust me. It's about having a trusted plumber or handyman who will answer your call on a Sunday and go to the site. It's about screening dozens of applicants to find one who will treat your property like their home. So a professional property manager isn't a cost. They are your human shield, I say. They handle your hustles so that you can focus on your family, your investment journey, and finding the next property. The fee you pay is an investment in your time. So factor it into your budget from day one. I paid a huge cost to learn this, so it is a non-negotiable for smart investors.